Hi, I am Apurvi and today we are making pumpkin pastries here in Spoiled by Coco. Let's begin. For the flaky pastry, in a bowl add cold all-purpose flour, salt, then small pieces of cold butter that is chopped. Now coat the flour with butter properly. Use rubbing motion but be quick as the butter can melt from your hands' heat. This step will give us flaky pastries. Once done, add 2 to 3 tablespoons chilled water to bring the dough together. Do not knead, just bring it together to form a dough. With the help of a cling film, I'll shape it into a dough. This way, I'll avoid touching the dough for too long and avoiding the risk of melting butter. Cling wrap the dough and refrigerate for 1 hour. Now let us prepare pumpkin spice powder. For that, in a mortar take cinnamon powder, dry ginger powder, clove, and I'll grate fresh nutmeg. You can use nutmeg powder as well. Now combine everything with the help of a pestle. Here is a pumpkin spice powder. Store it in an airtight container. For the pumpkin puree, in a pan take pumpkin puree. I have already shared its recipe on my channel. Check out the link description box below. Add brown sugar. You can adjust it to taste. Prepared pumpkin spice powder and mix. For extra creaminess, add milk. Cook it on low flame to thicken it. Add cornflour and mix well. It will help in thickening our sauce, as if it's still too watery, our thin sauce can make our pastries soggy. So, our filling should be thick. Our sauce is ready. Let it cool down completely. Now let's roll our patty dough. Sprinkle your working station with flour. Place your chilled pastry dough and roll it to a 1/8 inch thickness. Now cut using a round cutter. I'm using a 4-inch cutter. I'll slightly make them thin. Now place 1 tablespoon of prepared pumpkin filling in each, leaving the edges. Now brush the edges with milk. Fold the pasty to give crescent shape. Pinch the edges properly to seal the filling. Place them over a baking tray lined with baking paper. Shape all the pasties this way. Now before baking, make some slit to help air escape. But instead of regular slits, I'm going to make some Harry Potter inspired symbol. Here I have with me some brown sugar. I'm going to mix in some vanilla powder. You can use pumpkin spice mix as well. Brush the pasties with milk just before baking. Sprinkle the vanilla brown sugar on top. Now bake these in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 24 to 26 minutes till they have nice golden color on top. Baking time differs from oven to oven, so bake accordingly. Our pumpkin pastry have baked beautifully. Let them cool down slightly before serving. Do try these Harry Potter inspired pumpkin pastries at home and connect with me through comment section or other social media platform. Let me show you one. They are delicious and perfect for this season. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.